I want to explain kind of view of about architecture. I think it's important as an architect to stand open for questioning conventions. Questioning conventions means that you have to keep awake and that you have to be open for given things, things who are for free, things who are yet, and for example in a project, find things and do things with it, because as an architect I believe we have a social responsibility. We have the responsibility to create a human environment for people to live in, to work in, and to stay in.